Whenever I'm ready.
Yep.
Okay, hey everybody, I am Noah Weber, and this is my Lego M&M / Gumball machine. What you do is you would take 6 balls, or maybe 16, 15 M&Ms. You would put them in this, and I'm going to use my Lego funnel. I'll just stick that right on there. Oops. And I just drop them in. Sometimes they'll get stuck right there. Okay. Now, the way that you buy candy is you have to make sure this door is down. And then you'll just push that and just get your candy. Wait, can't seem to find it. There it is. And then close it, and if you want another one, pull it out, push it back. Now, the reason why this door has to be down is because there is a hole about right here in the middle. And when this is up, it covers the hole so that no candy can fall down. So watch. No candy. Then to get it, you'd have to put that down, then you'll hear it fall, and then you have your candy. Now, the way that this works, is that this thing right here moves up on like a track. And when the ball is put in, one would fall here, right in there. And then when you put it would fall in this hole right here. Now, like I said before, when the garage door is up, when the door is up, then the hole is covered and no candy can get out. Okay. Now, the way that I got this door is I've had to take apart a ton of stuff for my inventions that I've made. And when, like, as I said, when one falls down in here, then, like, if 2 were here, they'd be lined up. Now, when you push it, the one on the bottom would get stuck on here, while this one only one would fall down in, and then when you pull it back, that one would fall down, and then that goes in. Okay, now, the way that it slides is you have these little things that stick out. They glide smoothly on these little things. You just slide up in there, and you can pull it out, and you can just push it in, but they slide smoothly. Okay, now that is it. So now, if you do get inspired and make maybe like a Skittles or anything like that, then make one and send me a video. So that's it. So bye.